Hey guys, Jim Cipriano here, your friend in the car business, Central Ford, Plainfield. Taking a look at the newest 2021 F-150. Here I have an XLT Sport package. I'm going to flip it around so you guys can see. There we go. This one's in silver, as you see with the black wheel, crew cab. Nice wheel on there. But what I really want to show you guys is inside. This has the new dual LED screens. You got one in the front here, and you got this monstrosity in the middle. This controls your navigation. You have your backup camera on here. Right now I'm in the new feature of zone lighting. So if you wanted to light up just a particular area on the left side of the truck, you do that there. Behind you, you hit that bottom one. This is really cool, guys. First time I'm looking at it myself. Here's what your main screen looks like on the radio. Of course, you have your map. Humongous. Also, another really cool feature is the shift knob. You can put that up or down. Up, obviously, to operate the vehicle. You can put it down. And you have a flat workspace here. A clipboard or something like that for you guys who work in the trucks. I know some of you guys live in your truck. Of course, all the amenities you'd think of. Heated seats with the XLT package. Pro Trailer Backup Assist. On the fly 4x4. You got your front and rear cameras here. There's your rear view camera. Humongous 12-inch screen. Huge. I believe it's 12. Might even be a little bigger. I got to double check that. Yeah, this is cool. Central Ford, Plainfield, exit 28 off 395. Jim Cipriano, your friend in the car business, 860-564-4014. If you're in the market for a truck, call me first. I'll be doing another video later, guys. Message any questions you want answered, and I'll try to figure it out for you and make another video. Have a good day.